Everyday greetings. General ways of saying hi. Number 1. Hi. Repeat. Number 2. Hello. Repeat. Number 3. Hey. Repeat. Other ways of saying hi at different times of the day. Number 1. Good morning, or just morning. Repeat. Good morning. Number 2. Good afternoon, or just afternoon. Repeat. Good afternoon. Number 3. Good evening, or just evening. Repeat. Good evening. Repeat after me. Good morning, Alan. Repeat. Good morning, Alan. Good afternoon, Mrs. Brown. Repeat. Good afternoon, Mrs. Brown. Good evening, sir. Say it again. Good evening, sir.
When answering greetings, you can use the same expression or any of the other expressions, depending on the sex of the person you are talking to.
Getting someone's attention. Number 1. Excuse me, sir. Number 2. Excuse me, madam. Number 3. Excuse me, miss. Number 4. Hey, Mr. Smith. Number 5. Hey, Bob. How can you answer someone who tries to get your attention? You can say, yes. You can also say, yes. Can I help you? Hey, Rosie. Good to see you.
Saying goodbye. Number 1. Bye. Number 2. Bye-bye. Number 3. Goodbye. Number 4. See you. Number 5. Take care. Number 6. So long. Other ways of saying goodbye. Number 1. Good night. Number 2. Have a good evening. Number 3. Have a good day.
Introducing yourself. Hello, I'm Jane Blacksmith, but call me Jane. Hi, my name is John Fisher. You can call me John. Nice to meet you, John. Nice to meet you too, Jane. So your first name is Jane? Yes, exactly. What's your last name again, John? It's Wood. Is that W-U-D? No, it's W-O-O-D, but I'm not a table. What's your last name, Jane? It's Blacksmith, but I'm not black. You see. Nice name. How do you spell that? It's B-L-A-C-K-S-M-I-T-H. A great name, Jane. Thank you. Yours is awesome too. Well, it was nice meeting you, John. My pleasure, Jane. It was my lucky day. Me too. Bye. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Sure. Take care.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thanks for watching. If you like it and want more lessons, don't forget to subscribe and share. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below.